Hi, this is Trisha Greenwood, and I'm going to be telling you about my website that I've created for my husband. My husband is a horseshoer, also known as a farrier, and this is a site describing his services, about him, and his knife making. So as you can see, we'll start here with the logo. It originally had wording in it, but most people didn't seem to like that, so I took it out and it looks much better. And we have the title up here, Greenwood Horseshoeing and Blacksmithing, and I use the box shadow look using this orange, and I think it looks really good. We have horseshoeing services. All pictures on this site were taken by me or my daughter. This is one of the knives that he has made and sold. And you can see I have mentioned our Facebook and Instagram. I have links down here. They're not hooked up yet because the website's not finished. And I wanted to be able to take off the style guide and talks before I fully link it to his other sites. When I highlight a link, it changes color and has a line underneath it. We'll go to the About. We talk about specialized custom care and a little bit about my husband. And the one thing that I liked about this style of keeping the pictures on one side and the writing on another is that I can add more. So when I add more later on, like specific areas that he serves, once this assignment is complete, it will be able to be customized a little bit more. Go to the contact form. It's very simple contact form. It's not yet linked to a specific website email because I wanted to set up one for him specifically for the horseshoeing. He has one right now, but it's also linked to his church account. I didn't want spam mail going to his church account, so I will keep those separate. The blog, Tales of Wool blog. I am going to put a lot of content on here that is before and after photos of horses that he's helped, videos of horses that are moving better, his clients who are doing well. He has some that are competing and winning Grand Prix, so I'll put all that information here, and I'll be linking to their sites, so that'll help with the SEO and web searches as well. And we go to articles, and the same thing over here. I will be adding to this content as I find articles that coincide with my husband's practices. And once again, getting more websites linked to your own will help in the search engines and people finding your site. Go back to the homepage. The main purpose of my site is to give info about his business and what good horse and hoof care is. I will obviously, like I stated, update content and get more specific after the assignment is completed. I wanted to keep it simple for now because I didn't want to overcrowd it with information for this assignment, but eventually it will have a lot more. I'm excited to use this for my husband's business, and he really likes it too. My main decisions were based on color and simplicity. I did not want an overcrowded site. Most people looking at this site will know about horseshoeing already and will be looking for special and specific info. I'll update it with services and all those things after the assignment's been completed. I wanted the colors to be earthy and remind visitors of metal and metalwork, which is part of what he does in the knife making business. I learned that my ideas of what I thought the site should be may be different than what others thought it would be. I needed to keep it simple and make the info easy to find. I had to take my husband's opinion and what he thought his clients would like as well. I look forward to updating it with more pages of content. The more difficult part would be deciding what advice to keep from all you wonderful classmates, because it was all really good advice. But ultimately, it came down to what my husband wanted in the site, and that was some of my final decisions in deciding what would stay and what would go. I want to thank everyone for your help on this, and I hope you like the site.